Cleaning a trumpet is an essential part of maintaining its playability and longevity. Regular cleaning helps remove dirt, debris, and residue that can accumulate inside the instrument. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to clean a trumpet. Materials needed. 1. Valve oil. 2. Slide grease. 3. Snake brush. 4. Valve brush. 5. Mouthpiece brush. 6. Mild dish soap. 7. Warm water. 8. Soft, lint-free cloths. 9. Valve casing brush, optional. Cleaning process. 1. Disassemble the trumpet. Remove the trumpet's mouthpiece, valves, and slides. Pay attention to how the parts are arranged so you can easily reassemble them later. 2. Clean the mouthpiece. Soak the mouthpiece in a mixture of warm water and mild dish soap. Use a mouthpiece brush to scrub the inside of the mouthpiece, removing any residue. Rinse the mouthpiece thoroughly with clean water and dry it with a soft cloth. 3. Clean the valves. Wipe off any visible dirt or residue on the valves with a soft cloth. Use a valve brush to clean the valve casings. If necessary, you can use a valve casing brush for a more thorough cleaning. Apply a small amount of valve oil to each valve and reassemble them. 4. Clean the slides. Wipe off any dirt or grease from the slides with a soft cloth. Apply slide grease to the tuning slides and valve slides to ensure smooth movement. 5. Clean the lead pipe. Use a snake brush to clean the lead pipe. Insert the brush into the lead pipe and move it in a twisting motion to remove any debris. 6. Clean the bell. Wipe the exterior of the trumpet with a soft cloth to remove fingerprints and dirt. 7. Final assembly. Reassemble the trumpet, making sure all parts are properly aligned and secured. 8. Polishing, optional. If your trumpet has a lacquer finish, you may choose to polish it using a brass polish. Be cautious not to get polish on the valves or other sensitive areas. 9. Regular maintenance. Oil the valves regularly to ensure smooth operation. Clean the trumpet after each use to prevent the buildup of dirt and debris. Remember to be gentle with your instrument and avoid using abrasive materials that could damage the finish. If you're unsure about any cleaning procedure, consult with a professional instrument technician or your music teacher for guidance. Regular maintenance will help keep your trumpet in optimal playing condition. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.